Anybody come here? Anybody come and see this fellow who don't want to stay in the White House? Understand? So don't ever think coming is very simple. Lucky today, there are people who are donating us and we are traveling all over the world. Thank you very much. When I go to South Africa, like I'm going to go to Nigeria.
So Nigeria ગયા હતા?
A lot of African people, they are just like you and me. But they also eat the wrong food. They eat green banana, madam, and lots of problem eating green banana. They don't know.
ત્યાં ગ્રીન બનાના ખાય છે.
Understand, madam? So let's change the food for healing.
હીલિંગ કરવા માટે ચેન્જ
Stand up, sir.
કરવાનું છે ફૂડ.
Stand up. You're a medical doctor. Wait. Medical doctor, right? How many years you study to be a medical doctor? How many years
તમે
you
કેટલા વર્ષ
study to be
ભણ્યા?
a medical doctor?
To be a doctor. 15 years. 15 years. To be a doctor. From matriculation to up to MBBS.
Matriculation MBA 15 years. Are you sure? Not 6 years?
And means
And after
total
school?
Science and all total 10 years.
10 years. 10 years. Yes or no? Was it easy, sir?
ઈઝી હતું તમારા માટે?
No, it is not easy.
Too much of memory.
ઘણી બધી યાદ રાખવું
Too much
પડે.
of scientific names.
સાયન્ટિફિક નેમ યાદ રાખવા પડ્યા.
Yes or no?
It's too hard.
Too hard. Not easy. Can you fool around and play around?
તમે આરામથી હરી કરી શકતા હતા?
No.
You're a science student, you're an art student, you're economic student. What they do? Your friends, what they do? They have party every day.
Yeah.
The econ student,
To be a doctor, one should work very hard.
yes, very, very hard. Do a lot of studies and come back again, you have to study very hard. A lot of patience. Some can go crazy. Patient keep on coming and coming and coming, sir.
ડોક્ટર પાસે પેશન્ટ આવ્યા જ કરતા હોય.
Okay, finally, sir, who are you working for?
તમે કોના માટે વર્ક કરો છો?
Actually, we are working for ourselves.
No, sir. Who are you working for?
I am working for myself and my family.
You're working for the pharmaceutical companies.
Okay.
જે મેડિસિન્સ બનાવે છે.
Yes or no, sir? You're working for the pharmaceutical company. You diagnose, you said, eat this one, eat that one, eat this one, eat that one. Correct, sir? Exactly. You're working for the pharmaceutical company. Every doctor in the world.
દરેક
In
ડોક્ટર એ જ કરે
India,
છે.
it's different. You diagnose, you give a cheat, you buy from the medical store, the pharmacy. In Malaysia, no. Doctor has their own pharmacy behind. He can sell medicine and do the diagnosis.
મલેશિયામાં ત્યાં
They are
પ્રિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરે, ત્યાંથી દેવાય.
having their own pharmacy. Oh,
Yes,
doctor.
in Malaysia.
Achha.
There's no need for pharmacy. No pharmacists. They can have their own medicine and they give their own medicine. They have a big plot and they allow them to do diagnosis and give medicine also.
They make medicine by themselves.
No. They buy from the pharma company, Ranbaxy and this and that. They keep down that. Oh, flu, try this. Oh, flu, try that. Oh, flu, try this. Try this, try this. Okay, become better. Yes or no, sir? Yes. Today, you saw with your own eyes, you've been a doctor for how many years?
10 years.
10 years. No, how many years you've been a doctor until now?
કેટલા વર્ષથી ડોક્ટર છો તમે?
I am doctor after passing MBBS. I am 40 years.
40 years. You know how many headaches we heal today, sir?
કેટલા હેડેક
You
ડીલ
had, I
કર્યા?
think you had
20.
25%.
How fast, sir?
કેટલું ઝડપથી?
Very fast. Very quickly we removed headaches of.
I didn't know, sir. They came and they removed themselves. I never touched
પોતાની
it.
જાતે હીલ કર્યું.
No medicine can do this. And this is once and for all if you follow the rules.
રૂલ્સ ફોલો
Because
કરીએ
mention
તો
the pain will never come back to you. You change your lifestyle. You'll never
લાઈફસ્ટાઈલ
come-
ચેન્જ કરવાની જરૂર છે.
When somebody comes with gastric
But,
pain,
that doctor was telling true in Ayurveda, Amla and Limbu are they always advise patient to take. But you told that it is also harmful.
Yes, sir.
And it is acidic.
no animal eat this.
પ્રાણીઓ નથી જમતા.
Yes. As your argument is that animals are not taking
Amala
lemon or
or
amla.
lemon or imli. They don't eat that. Any animals, they don't eat. It's so fantastic. They should eat it before you go there. There's nothing empty. Understand, sir? The ripe mango tree, all the monkeys will come. You throw the monkey in the stone. Yes or not? Monkey don't come. Throw away. In the farm.
પણ ઇટ્સ એ ગુડ ક્રાઇટેરિયા વોટ એ ટોલ્ડ કે જે પ્રાણી ખાતા હોય ને એ આપણે ખાઈએ તો વી આર સેફ. ઇટ ઇઝ રિયલી એ વેરી વન્ડરફુલ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ.
ફ્રૂટની અંદર કે શાકભાજીની અંદર જીવાત ન થાય ને, એમાં જીવાત ન થતી હોય ને એ નહીં ખાવા, જીવાત થાય ને એ ખાઈ શકે.
એટલે વોટ હી
પ્રાણીઓ ખાય છે એમ.
in vegetables and fruits where there not be any insect or bacteria developed,
Insects will come.
that should be taken.
Yes.
He says like this.
Yes, sir. But how to find? Because the demand is so huge in India.
ખબર કેમ પડે? What he says, how to find
The
that
demand is so huge. But 1.3 billion people, sir. Lucky the Jain don't eat potato. No enough potato in India now. What, madam? Say, madam. Lucky Jain don't eat potato. I don't know enough potato.
જૈન પોટેટો નથી ખાતા એટલે તો પોટેટો જ ના હોતા.
Lucky Jain don't eat onion. Onion price go up. All Jain eat onion finish. All eat garlic. So garlic, onion and potato price normal because Jain don't be. How many million people are Jain here? 20
Jain
million, 30
કેટલા
million,
છે?
40 million people are Jain in this country? Or 50 million people are Jain in this country? Or 100 million people? Imagine, sir, all eat onions and garlic and potato. Price will go up. Not enough.
Gold will be cheaper than
Exactly. Understand, madam? Sometimes they say, so we need, India needs a lot. So we have to produce. We have to produce, madam. How much to produce? Is it easy, madam? Exactly. Correct, sir? You got wheat. How much wheat you must produce to feed maybe 500 million people in India every day? How much of farm you need, madam? Can you imagine? Why so go far? Where's the mineral water? Okay. What is this? 1 liter. How many people in India? 1.5 billion people. So what must you provide for the 1.5 billion to drink only? Minimum 1 liter.
1.5 મિલિયન લોકોને પડાવવા માટે કેટલું પાણી જોઈએ?
Include the baby and the boy and the man. Man maybe 2 liter. Baby 1 liter. So
1 liter
total
સરેરાશ ગણો તો
means
કેટલું
one
જોઈએ?
average 1 liter of water every day.
એવરી ડે 1 લિટર પાણી જોઈએ તો ટોટલ કેટલું પાણી
Where must
જોઈએ?
this water come from?
આ પાણી ક્યાંથી આવે છે?
From the ocean.
દરિયામાંથી.
દરિયામાંથી, સમુદ્રમાં.
It's easy.
ઈઝી છે?
And you throw everything in the ocean.
આપણે બધું ઓશનમાં નાખીએ
You
છીએ.
throw Ganapati in the ocean.
ગણેશજીનું વિસર્જન કરીએ છીએ.
Ocean happy? Durga also throw the ocean.
ઓશન હેપી થશે?
Everything go in the ocean. Your shit go in the ocean. Your urine go in the ocean. Imagine 1.5 billion liters a day just for drinking. Washing,
વોશિંગ અલગ,
cleaning,
ક્લીનિંગ અલગ,
after that, urine.
યુરિન.
How much of urine?
યુરિન કેટલું જાય છે?
1.5 billion liters a day of urine. Correct, doctor?
1.5
Where must it go?
billion.
Where will it go?
એ બધું ક્યાં જાય
To
છે?
Mother Earth?
મધર અર્થમાં.
Yes or no? Yes, sir. The mother must clean the urine, provide water for you, provide food for you. But you say, Baba is very good. Baba, 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 Baba.
બધું કરે છે મધર અર્થ. એ વોશ કરે છે,
No, thank you
નવું
to
પાણી
mother.
ઉત્પન્ન કરે છે.
Correct,
પણ
sir? When you going to say thank you to mother? When you say thank you to the rain?
ક્યારે આપણે થેન્ક યુ કીધું મધર અર્થને? ક્યારે આપણે થેન્ક યુ કીધું રેઇનને?
Start thinking, my friend.
વિચારીએ.
I don't know why I talk like this. I don't know why. But no one listen. Anyone listen when after this?
શિવા સરનું શું કહેવાનું છે કે જે સૂર્ય, ચંદ્ર, પૃથ્વી, સમુદ્ર જે આપણે હેલ્પ કરે છે એને આપણે ખરેખર થેન્ક યુ કહેવું જોઈએ. કારણ કે આપણે જે પાણી પીએ છીએ એ સમુદ્રમાંથી આવે છે. સમુદ્રમાંથી વાદળમાંથી વરસાદ રૂપે પાણી આપણને મળે છે. તો ખરેખર આપણે આ બધાને થેન્ક યુ કહેવું જોઈએ, હાર્ટીલી, હૃદયથી. એ એનું કહેવાનું છે. સૂર્ય નારાયણ છે, આપણે શક્તિ આપે છે, ગરમી આપે છે, જીવન આપે છે. આ બધા લોકો પંચ મહાભૂતો છે એને હંમેશાને માટે આપણે એને થેન્ક યુ કહેવું જોઈએ, એપ્રિશિએટ કરવા જોઈએ.
Yes, sir.
એટલે એ તો કહે છે કે ભાઈ ગુરુ નહીં, પણ ખરેખર આ જે બધા છે પંચ મહાભૂતો, વાયુ, અગ્નિ, સૂર્ય, ચંદ્ર, પૃથ્વી,
પંચ તત્વ
એ બધાને ખરેખર આપણે હંમેશાને માટે આભાર માનવો જોઈએ. અને એને માટે વધુ ઝાડ ઉગાડવા એ પણ આપણાથી જો શક્ય બને તો કરવું જોઈએ.
Okay, guys, thank you very much. Very good. Madam, mic off, please.